Using the picture enrichment is a quick and easy way to make images interactive using the AVE digital publishing platform. To apply the picture enrichment, you first need to select an image on your InDesign page. Next, you can select the picture enrichment in the AVE interactivity panel. Now you can define the interactivity you want for this picture. If you check Enable Full Screen, a user will be able to double tap an image to see it in full screen mode. I'll check this option so that the image will open in full screen. The pan and zoom feature gives end users the ability to use the pinch and the swipe motion on images to zoom into and navigate inside an image. Use crop for full screen means that the image will be cropped so that the screen is filled with the image. Put in background is a feature for AVE PDF. If you are using AVE Mag, this feature is grayed out. This feature will render the image on the swipe of the page and not after the transition is over. Cell background color is the color you will see behind the image if the image isn't using crop for full screen. You can also set the alpha of the color so that you can still see the page below the color you've chosen. Use tiles are for very large images. Let's say you have a map that is 8 times the size of your screen. It would take a lot of rendering time as you panned and zoomed that image, because it would need to render the whole image again on every swipe. If you use tiles, your image will be tiled, meaning saved as individual images in a grid, so that only the visible and nearby tiles need to be rendered for a smoother user experience. You can pick the quality of these tiles below, either JPEG or PNG, and set your quality preference. You can also add a Ken Burns effect to this image as it appears in full screen, and define the delay, duration, and amplitude of the Ken Burns effect. I'll check Animate Ken Burns so we can see what it looks like in full screen. Actions can also be added to these images. You can create tap actions directly to images whether or not they open in full screen. And finally, you can create captions that are either shown when the image is on the page or only when the image is in full screen. Now that you've defined your enrichment, you just have to save the file and preview it. The page opens with the image, and the Ken Burns effect will automatically start. If I double tap the image, it opens full screen. I hope this simple tutorial helps you to create more engaging experiences for your readers. Thanks for watching.